Hi guys, and welcome to Aussie Storm Training. I'm Susie Jackson. I'm your trainer for today. So today we're going to learn about how to go into our back office and order if you're not using a commit link and you want to use a separate order something separately. So at the top you'll see here, this is my number. The number that your sales rep or sponsor will give you will come up here. Once you've entered it into the system and hit enter, it'll actually bring you to your sponsor screen when my internet helps. And notice on your sponsor screen is it will have True Vision. It will then have your sponsor's name, a place you can email them, and their phone number. What you want to do from here is click. You can have a quick look. It just shows you everything on the screen. What you want to do from here is you want to click on here that says buy now and enroll. So if you click on buy now and enroll, that'll take you to a new page. You will be able to go in and order. Okay, so this is the page that it brings you to, Sydney Harbour Bridge. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see three sections: order a sample, order a control kit, or custom sizable order. So this is where I want you to go. I want you to go into this order area here. So click on this. This will take you through to an order screen. It'll ask you what country you're from. So if you're from Australia, then you hit Australia. If you're from the US, then you hit the US. So I'm just going to hit Australia today because I'm from Australia. Then it will show you three sections. You want to make sure this top section is ticked. Wholesale pricing 20%. Tick the box here to say that you agree and click next. This will then take you through to a screen like this. Now, this screen can be a little bit confusing, although it's got great pictures. I'll scroll down and show you. It can be quite confusing because there's so many different products on this screen, but not necessarily the one you want. So if you're actually just doing our all-in, which is our monthly supply, you can actually go here, but my suggestion is go over here to this button that says switch to quick view, click on it. This will then take you through to a list of items, which is to me a lot easier. So once you scroll down, you're looking for either two options. You can look for an all-in on this side, or you can look for the price, which is about 133. So if you scroll down, keep going, and you will see very, very quickly our 30-day combo. So there's a couple you can do. I think this is slightly changed. So this is our 30-day combo, or where you just order the combo itself. This is our True Weight and Energy all in, and at the moment it's still showing 133. So click over here and put a number 1, and the code over here will show you it's 8480. Make sure the 1 goes in, arrow down. So it'll show you at the bottom you've got 77 personal value points and your subtotal is 133.65. Go to the next. Right, so now it's going to show you that you're going to have a standard smart ship once a month, and do not panic and do not be put off by this. This can be turned off and controlled if you want to control it by yourself once you've ordered. Unfortunately, we can't turn it off. The idea of it is that you get reward points every time it's sent to you, and it always makes sure you don't run out of tablets. So leave it at standard. Now come down here, it's going to ask you to check your order. Now sometimes the system isn't holding what we ordered, so make sure you come down, go back to where it actually says True Weight and Energy all in, which is this one here, and see how it hasn't held. Put another 1 in there. Don't ask me why, just trust me. Go back down to the bottom and go next. Once it goes through here, it's then going to ask you for all your details. So at the top it will show you who you've placed your order with. Then it's going to ask you for all your details, name, address, password, phone number, and then once you go to the next screen, it's going to ask you for your credit card details and then to confirm it. Then you'll receive an email, and so will your sponsor, and that just shows that you're all in. And that's how it's done. Thanks very much. Have a good day.